So Johnny, now we are going where? We are going to see the Sea of Waves. Is this Wavesan? Yo, it's getting late. The sun is about to... Maybe I must vlog this side or what? Johnny, this is on Johnny doesn't know where Usako is. He doesn't know where Waves Bay is. Hey, I think we will spend our night here. Where are you going? A person, a driver that is asking what direction. I'm not vlogging that side because the sun is too much. It's hitting the... I'm eating fat cake here. Not where? Hey, Johnny is speaking, huh? I hope itoka kumeme we. We are having a little child here. Who is Elta? Nena mwana?
You know that I'm with you. As long as I'm with you.
Look at that. We are going to look for the perfect sea. Oh, better. This direction is better. Now, which sea are we going? The perfect one or the normal one?
The general one, the popular one.
The popular one. Yeah, we want to go to the popular sea. Oh, me people know me already, even Helta. Kucha, when I'm vlogging, even Monica was like, Arnold, you don't eat. When I vlog, I forget, guys. That's why you need to watch my video until the end and watch the ads. So I don't get thinner, so I get money. Let me eat. I'm still eating, guys. Wait. But they are eating the meat. Let me... Johnny, you broke this car thing, man. Or maybe we must... What? Stand so you connect it properly. So I don't need to hold it. My arm is even getting tired and I'm not eating.
We're almost there.
At the sea. Come on, Johnny, now you know this. You know this one? How do you call it?
And
yeah.
This is navy, what?
Which one?
Navy.
This one? Oh. That is... Two navies. One is where? Perfect. I know HAT. When is that boat, the cruise? When will the cruise come? The biggest ship. Look at that. You're reminding me of that lady. When you're Mongo to Johnny Kuchas, you can commercial. But if Mango will let them wait to it. When you're tough, I'll eat. Oh, acha. You guys, this is beautiful. Oh, when you're kwa one, twende that one.
This one.
Mojeta mwiro shika. Eh, ano ililitanji mono anuvuka motaveni. Oh, now I'm getting confused. Yo, Ducati korkoto traffic anga. Yes. There is Elsa. We are around.
Hello, my people.
Yes. Where have you been? Explain yourself. You just disappeared.
Bobby's been like for 2 months now.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be 3 months soon.
Oh.
So it's a good town, but it's a unpredictable town.
It's a what?
Let me see.
Maybe come talk while we are at the sea for people to know that you are here.
I'm here people. My book people.
Now this sea is very calm.
Somehow, but
You see your company is gone.
to show them that I'm embarrassed by this. Maybe you can come closer.
I'm scared of this water because it will fool you. Mm. Yeah, this one is very calm. Not like the other one. Now come this side. Yeah. This water will make you see it. You just get away with that. But the next time you must wash yourself.
Yeah, you must touch the water.
Only touch.
Yeah. Or step in, it depends. You can touch or step in or wash your face. Yes. But make sure your shoes. Remove your shoes, take out your shoes. Okay.
I take that cook to the sea.
Yeah.
But it doesn't want to come, huh?
No, yeah, the one you have to shoot to the sea. You see? Yeah, it's coming.
Ooh, I touched it finally.
It's too salty.
Very salty. So I'm going to show you the sea. Ooh. Yeah, we are moving fast. Johnny is already in the castle.
Doesn't take time.
To come to spend time here and talk to the locals.
Yeah.
So come along with us.
Can I hang up?
Okay. Just continue. Just take your phone and continue.
Yeah, there's a nice one.
So maybe tomorrow we can vlog again for you guys.
Amudi. Ndidi kambanga hapo ndiko kambanga.
Oh my goodness.
Pale lilango. Awande na. Atukuti maka. Ndio mbele. Ndiko tele kipa. Yeah.
Jenny, people are looking for you.
Yes.
Tell them I kidnap you. You spend the whole week here until Monday. Kujano, who is that? Who is that girl kidnapping our Johnny?
When you say this, you're going. Mari mana prato ka baca porman pemalo. Nyari. Lanjut. Ya kan abu. Nusa seranganya.
Johnny pa makwete. Here we move.
From here I know very well. But when you go inside there.
Yeah. You forget.
Where was I? Even in Kapana, I think if I step in then
Even in Kapana, you didn't know that Kapana.
But I know I was there. But I can't direct. I just go here.
Kambaga, buka punya mus. Kana lagi. Kita kaya kilo ke di komingap. Buka komingap ni.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Shoo! Wewe sapenda nini na? Acha.
Very much excited. Oh, I can the YouTuber.
Yes. My subscriber in Waves Bay. Give a video a blue. Mara, this town is also not big.
It's too short, very small. There are plenty people that used to foot here.
The whole Waves Bay.
It's a short town. People that can just
Yeah. We were confused first. Now it's like we are going at one place like we are. Ami. We will drop you here.
Main road
Oh.
but I know the site that you know como ya kan kita buka. Ya.
Enggak kita boleh. Dapat cek itu kiramos. Itu aja.
Pembe tundara apa? Bangga.
Ada tipet. Kita paling gitu dari mana?
Oh, watare genji shikome show.
Kan betembe. Taksi kongera kau bini. Waktu kau bicara kau menggak.
You have been told by the experts. What? We are in the locations now. Was that the May Temple? Oh, you could dengera. Sister Itembu. Oh, okay. She will see this video. Yeah? You don't know who is Tembu? Okay, let me just leave. Oh, we can.
Aceh tu kira ngamu?
Yang kita muka ko para
Kusa
muka ko.
Kusa.
Ya tamu inga.
Ya goma penyo.
Tandara iko ko peto tuka to ka trana tamu nga tan mukiri dai.
Okay.
Ya.
Dewa siwa tak kutang ngerti yang ada muka? Ya.
So we just dropped one of Johnny friends. Oh. But it's nice when you are with a local that know the place. Otherwise you just be
Stopping too much.
which are just being on one place. Nice for a girl to direct us now.
Yebo, Auntie Herta.
Ay, Auntie Hilda kwete shaka. No,
No, I know Bobby's big.
Ay.
Ay, Auntie Hilda, you don't know how it's been.
YouTuber travel amon.
Aha.
Yebo.
The what? Oh. Yeah, guys and cars.
What fine cars.
When are you bringing it, the car? When you bring it, all the girls will be like, Johnny, 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 Johnny. They know the car already. Maybe they were forcing themselves on you, ne? Hey. Ah, Johnny.
Oh, this Bobby's big. I can even call someone or me if they could like we are here together. Just say this number is not reachable.
Oh.
Say call ended.
Well, it's busy, but it's not.
Or it's showing off like it's off, but it's not off. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's main road. This is a Kundemos. Kundembamos, this one.
The one that you say there is always people.
It's a famous buy in that's what they
We passed this street. The street that I didn't vlog, but I was saying.
I saw the one.
Ah. Maranena Shiri Helta. It's not this one.
It's the one you see a Kunde hair salon, Baba shop. It's the one. It's a
Oh.
famous buy in the place is very. It's up to standard.
Oh, in Waves Bay now. Now you guys, I missed that bar. Now you see it. Kama it's a good day. It's like I'm promoting bars. Look at even nice car. Hey, Oshiko Otua. Oh, gee. Is that Quattro?
Yes.
Hey, Quattro, man. Johnny,
Quattro.
if you are with this car, a Polo, and the Quattro guy or a Vrupa comes, all the girls are gone. When are you buying your golf? Oh, Achi.
It's not kay pupuan.
Just like golf, huh?
It's a low. Yeah, boy. Naman diri ba? Uli ba? Diri ba kunda pa ngadi ang dia po?
Helta. This guy
We are going now. Just now.
from Yusakos
Yeah.
until Arandes. If you walk with this guy, everybody's just saying, Johnny. And Johnny, come here. I know, Johnny, why are you doing that? But Johnny was telling me, I was asking him, Johnny, do you have a girlfriend? Johnny answered that I don't want to answer for you. Do you have a girlfriend? You see? All the guys say they don't have a girlfriend. Now I'm like, come on. People are saying that Johnny is always with beautiful girls, but people accuse Johnny for having girlfriends, but it's not theirs. It's just their friends.
Yeah.
Let the girlfriend see if you are having one, which you are being denied here.
Yeah, well, let's see.
Let's stop here. We are stopping at the Kunde. Eh?
I'm supposed to get the partner.
What about me and mama?
No.
It's
It's
Here time you are on record. Are you supposed to go to water?
a partner. It's in the car locks itself.
You know what? There's a guy there.
Help me.
It's what?
No, say, sister, help me.
Aye, but maybe you lock it on purpose. Johnny?
Yes, mama.
We just came here. Someone recognized Johnny's car. Mara Johnny over Fangu ya Jaka Dona Vinona naked.
Kaduna ba? Naked one. Kisho mo ang naked.
Even promoting yourself.
No.
Johnny ka utoko ngomanya. Badike shumwa.
Kisho mo ang.
You know what Johnny is saying? Come on, every girl is just for Johnny.
Ang gaya niya ko.
I know this one.
Gusto pa yung
Just go and check. Yeah, no. Yung papa
today we enjoy ourselves, ma.
Very much. Even the time, they don't want to
When you are with the men, they don't take time. But when the journey you leave us at the sea, then you come to the car. Like that you want to tell us, Kucha, I want to go without telling us.
No.
Hey. Tapuka?
Yeah.
It's a Helta. Where is your house, son? Maybe Helta, she want to go with us.
Yes, please.
We want to drop you to your house and us continue our journeys.
Sure.
Helta, you still don't know your house, where your house is. Is this a sea?
When you go to
Now from here, yeah, those are
Hey, look at where we came.
wow.
Mala, when you look at somewhere up again, I see.
Yeah, somewhere here.
About that drop and go.
Oh, I know. I see now. Helta is pretending. Helta, she's pretending. Dara get to go in green.
Yes, I was lost in those streets where we came later.
You never been in those streets.
Just on the main, like the main road.
When I got the young
Yes.
Oh, then you will remember.
I can tell.
Oh, when we bring you in the new street, you'll be lost.
Like your path when they man like go the footing from home to the city.
Now you are in your street.
Yeah,
Okay.
welcome back. Just go straight. Yeah, I can direct
Straight,
you nicely.
And Johnny has lost her.
This is
I'm not
the station, huh?
Eh? Johnny, that green thing that we were saying we are in front of the green thing, that one. That is a stop, Johnny.
The main stop. 4-way stop. Just go straight again.
I can remember because we remember we were from that side when she was directing us.
Yeah, just go straight to Pasagera. Yeah, this is the main stop from Swakop.
Oh,
Swakop, yes.
let me stop here so you won't know where is her house.
I think I'm
Isota, goodbye, goodbye.
Okay, my good people. Love you to the moon, to the bed. Bye, Brigade.
Sharp, sharp.
The uncles.
And the subscribers.
Subscribers.
Who is Wuli's favorite person?
Yes. I forgot. I know.
From-
Burundi.
Not Burundi.
Not Burundi. Okay, from South Africa.
Yeah.
I forgot his name.
North
But
Rider.
the chef, yeah, North Rider. But the chef, my professional. Bye. Love
Bye, bye. Hi, Johnny, let's go. You want to change sim or what? Two. This guy is a
you.
mafia.
Don't ever go to Stepela. Something.
Ooh, let me go. Climbing. Ooh. Open this window. How do you open? You are with a girl. Now you are asking what is going on. Me, I don't like questions when I go. Okay.
Hello. Mama.
Oh, Oksamo. Okay.
I was told to keep quiet. Huh? By Johnny. Hey,
Uno nambuno.
How is this one?
Johnny, open kama things must not go inside there.
Kegumbo.
Acha.
Yeah? Kuna siya. Okay. So from here, guys. From here.
Ewa.
And I want to wait there.
Oh.
Okay, sharp.
Achike bwadi.
Straight.
Go straight. There's a okapuno kanjiro kazami ke mokoni ke mo. Ukirili ke oka shortcut heavy. Maro is very nice.
Gutainga.
Ono tango toka vingo kawia kostopa.
Kustabidbe. Kaidi apa?
Okay, you can turn na.
Otuite idama.
Ate
I
idame.
don't think so, but you can try. But you can turn.
We can then go back but still find the thing
the
there.
stop and you can go back. Then you can go.
Can we go back?
Achinga.
Okay.
Kengamos.
Ito ba kulong kuting goloka?
Okay.
Yeah, sharp.
Sharp, sharp. See you around some other year.
Kana kasho lapnya.
Eh? Akaskola pengi?
Kamu ina koi.
Oh, Johnny, a person was here. You didn't ask.
Awe, amoi pula kucho kamu ina koi.
You're supposed to ask her. I gave you permission to ask her.
Wanti pula weta kamu makai bocho kano kamu ina koi.
Eh.
Iye. Kamu ina koi ka.
Ukakwashike kangani? Subscribers, Kama Helta is my subscriber. She's not my sister. Me, I'm not gonna stop my phone. Me, I vlog. I gave you permission already. You didn't want to talk. Now allow me to ask to check the houses. We are lost again now. Or we go back and then we go to the main. So guys, we came here to Waves Bay. I called Heta and her phone was around because she's now in Waves Bay. And I'm like, there was also one guy, Johnny. That guy is my subscriber from YouTube.
Which one is it?
His name is Muwat. The other guy, I wanted to SMS him on YouTube, but I was busy. I was having nice views. But he's in Waves, he's in Swakop. Now we are in Waves. Woo, it's getting late. So I'll come show you these places. Nice when we rest. I'll come back and show you guys. For now, it's 21 already. The timer. What if you take a wrong turn and you end up?
I'm swing. Soko this side. This side.
What if your ice is zing-zang? Look at the sun, guys. Look at the sun. The sun is going down. So this is we are from Waves Bay going to Swakop Mountain. So when we came here, the weather.
Oh, karating bang. Baby, di ba ka? Tingnan bang iba di babali bali. Wala na penya. Ponese soma wote po. Ponese soma. Wamana kuja pono papenya? Penya okufa mati winya. Oh. Awe kunya kuje aku abajana baba pangi. Inde batera baba yaro pangao. Sudi paka kono pape nyanganya umbo ikelo bari banga pe ya opunana ponga bari banga pende banga fi ya wapara ini ka ya opunana penyake munyawa tu katungi tu tangi ko tuange ya opunana ponga Toto kufaka dono mengenge ya pitu chama o itina befe sebe na piti oseti to ipo to kufaka dono mwenda pita kwa matiwinya kunsinale to ma to ipinda ponga ya pita nande no to oseti ngacha at oseti 7 ango 35 ango ponga ya 35 ponga isto poto singito ipone ngawa mama na ngoto yang hai
road from Webers Day to Swakopmund, raw and uncut. The sun is going down. The view is viewing. This phone can vlog in the night. Yes, also. Look at that. Look at those houses, guys. But I don't think you can see them very well because the sun and everything. But yeah. today we enjoyed. Yeah, today we enjoyed, man. Yeah. I will never forget this thing, and it will be documented. Hey, Monica will be like, why didn't you take me along? Yeah? Hey. Ah, uni mabange. Bonde va upload ke she ungo kuva etenal. Nando mafalma nje atruku atura ko YouTube. Mara aturwa ko kembera kanu ngeve ne viunga sana. Video about, I like it. Like YouTube is nice because you can, if you keep this video in your phone, it will be full most. But there is like a storage. Even if when you are 60 years old, you can still watch your videos. So, yeah? Oh, this is a place of... Oh. Now when you are saying, this is the place where we saw the camera. Look at that.